Hi Aries, welcome to my channel The Magical Aura, and this is your tarot reader Ursheen. So today we are going to do the monthly reading of June 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. And this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you. So if it resonates, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest readings. Alright, so let's proceed towards your reading now. June 2020 for Aries. Let's see what's June 2020 bringing for my Aries. Your overall energy is the Lovers. Feeling in love, or there's something more stable. A dog is also here. Wow. You are all set to love. Okay. So, let's see what is the present energy. Eight of Pentacles, working and working. But what is crossing over that? Five of Cups, some regrets or some losses. That is why you are working so hard, because you might have seen a lot of regrets in your losses in your life. Okay. What's going in your mind? It's the Hanged Man, thinking differently. Okay. Past, Seven of Cups. What's okay? So what is the reason of the reading? The Emperor. Future. Two of Rods. What do you want? Nine of Rods. Interesting. The people around you. Eight of Cups. Okay. How are you feeling emotionally? The Magician. And what is there in your future? Sorry, the final outcome. Four of Cups. So let's see. Okay. So there is a lot of things which are going in your mind. You have a lot of work to do. Okay. Might be dealing with the Gemini with the Lovers card. You are like, what to do? Because you are a little confused in your future. You will be like, where to go, what to do in my life, because you have already been working for something, some kind of losses. Might be some money loss you have experienced in some past months, and now you're working to get the money back. And so that is why it made you think a little differently, because you have to make more money, and that is why you have to think differently. You have no time. You have set some rules. You have set some boundaries around you, so that you will be able to get what you want. I guess your love life is affecting because of this, because in your past as well you had a lot of options, so you took some decision out of that, and now you are wondering whether I took the correct decision or not. Okay, so we'll clarify the reading, the cards as well. What is this Lovers card? Ace of Wands. Okay, so there is a new beginning about something. I think this is a new opportunity in your job, new career you have decided, some kind of passionate work you have decided to do. So it's affecting your love life because of that. I feel it's happening. So what is this Eight of Pentacles? For what you are working for? The High Priestess. Okay, so a lot has been done. You have worked for this work a lot. You have been given, you are working night and day. You are working. So that is why, to just fill those losses. I want to see the Seven of Cups. What is that? Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, you took a decision. There was something which was going on in your life in the past, and there were actually, you had to take a step, and it took a lot of time. Whatever you decided, it took a lot of time. So you started doing something else because of that. Because that job opportunity, if you were waiting for a new job offer, it took a lot of time. So you cannot sit and just wait for that thing. You have to do. So that is why you are doing that thing. You are thinking very differently. You have a little new perspective for whatever you are thinking. So what is this Emperor about? Yeah, Three of Pentacles and Three of Swords. Okay, so you are trying to fix things. If it is related to your love life, you are trying to fix your love life. You want to fix it, but it's you who are, setting the boundaries. You want some things to happen. I can also see there is a third party case in this. If you are dealing with some person, so this person is leaving you for some other new person, because Eight of Cups has come in their side. So that person might be leaving you because of something else, because you might not be giving your time in the relationship, but you want to fix the relationship, but because of money issues, you are not able to look into your relationship. I think you have to be a little more, not stern, okay? You have to be like, okay, I can give. You have to balance stuff. It's work is important, but relationship also matters in life. So let's see what is the Magician over here. Page of Cups. One more card. Too many cards. Okay, Judgment. So with the Magician, Page of Cups and Judgment, it's like the emotions are, you have kept your emotions a little sideways. You are more interested in your work. Your family is actually the one who is suffering, but what to do? You are the Magician. You are manifesting something. You want to work on the money more, so you are not accepting what is going. I really feel that now it's like, I know I might be harsh in your reading, but because it's just what's showing to me. You are over here, you are a little stubborn, which I can see. The stubbornness has to be like a little softer. It has to be. You have to let go some things. You have to balance your family, your work. Everything has to be balanced. You are blocking. You are the one who is blocking your family. You are all into your work that your family is getting affected. So your final outcome as well, it is like Four of Cups. You are not accepting the change, what is going, the balance you are not able to do. Okay, so I really feel that this reading is not for everyone, of course. So this is just for a very less percentage, but if it's happening with you, just start thinking in a different perspective, because if family is gone, if your love is affecting your work, or your work is affected, if your family is affected by your work, so please start balancing the things. You don't have to be the strict one, the stern one who just wants, no, I want this, I just want this. It's not like that. Family is also important, your relationships are also important. So start looking for everything. Just balance out everything. Okay, so that's all for my Aries. I hope you like the reading, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you, Aries. Bye.